Hell, hi there. What's going on here? It's me, Yegor. Yeah, it's me. Today we're gonna talk about weather. We're gonna talk about weather in the Moscow, in Moscow, yes, in the city, our city, and our topic about weather and what kind of weather can you find in the Moscow around the oh my gosh, it was a special effect around the year. Yes, maybe for you it's not secret that in the Russia, in the Moscow is somewhat the coldy climate. Yes, but today is 2019. Yes, 2019 year, and by the way, it's Universams. Some of the architecture is square of the 3 railway stations. Yes, and so windy today. Yes, and by the way, I want to say that in Moscow, you can find other climate, like windy, like right now, sunny, maybe hot sunny, really hot sunny. It was in the summer, July, not 4th of July, but also you can find some of the worse snowy. Oh Jesus! Oh my gosh! It's like a flag. Oh, so windy, really windy, and you can find many weather like a. What's the average weather? What, do you know? Average weather is. Oh my gosh, so funny person. Average Avenger. Average weather is like a coldy but warmy, coldy. This weather is like a maybe 60% of the year is coldy warmy. It's not really like a warmy, it's not really like a coldy, it's coldy warmy, I will call it. Yes, it's cold plus some of the warm. Yes, when can you find, next question, when can you find weather of snow? Weather of snow you can find from the November. It's average observation. Yes, and around like this. Average observation that you can find snow in the winter, full of winter, December, February, January, also November, and some parts of the March. Yes, in the March you can find too. Sometimes April and May. It's rarity, but sometimes it will be. Also, you can find in the Russia what kind of weather in October you can find also. In October you can find really rainy plus like this, like today weather, but without snow. It's preparing for snow. By the way, next weather, sunny. Do you interested in when you can find sunny? Sunny you can find May, 1st May, day of the workers. Also June, July, August and September. This parts of year. Jesus, so coldy. No coldy, windy, super windy. If today's weather have name, Windy Cindy. Yes, name of the weather today. Also, by the way, it's brick. Also, you can find in Russia, in Moscow, you can find cars. Jesus. Yes. Stop, please. Okay. Is tramway in the Russia and coldy, warmy weather. Coldy, warmy weather you can find today, and is autumn and also spring seasons of our year. Yes, it was our review of weather. By the way, one moment, I want to take our thing like this. I sorry if it stop. One moment. Super. Dude, our glove with me. Sorry maybe for sound of this microphone. Now we're going on the street and now we will practice our English. It was topic about weather. What kind of weather you can find in Russia, in Moscow. Yes, without the. Why? Wow, look. Jesus. So funny. It's not rewind, guys. Jeez. So funny, really. And also I want to talk about this building. I don't know what is really, but on the other side you can find Арбитражный суд. Scout, or how to say it, Scout. I don't know what's the name of it, but Арбитражный суд. Yeah, name of it. I forget. Its first letter is C, and some of the CKO is like a scout. Forget about it. And on the right side, I don't know what is some of the proletarium things. And we have some of the Vietnamese flags. Indonesia too. Or is Poland or Indonesia? It's maybe some of the. One moment, need to see. One moment is. International Bank for Economic Cooperation is. Wow, large. Big and large, really. And some of the skaters, and I don't know why so many. Look, it's everywhere. Trash is everywhere. Yes, and let's practice our English. What do I know about weather more in Russia? My favorite weather in Russia is warm and approximately. Oh my gosh, not good thing. Smells like a canalization. I don't know. Do you know it's this word? It's dechualization. It's a place when we have hole here and sound from it. Smell from it. Yeah. Also, what do I know about weather? That if you will ask me what kind of weather is my favorite, I will answer with simple words. My favorite weather is warm, and warm without the biggest wind, but with small windy good, calmful and nice. And also, what kind of weather do I like right now, in this moment, because maybe after 1 year it will be other. I like weather with oh my gosh, what is it's you're in armor now. Yes, also I like weather with 25 degree of Celsius. For Fahrenheit, I don't know how to translate it, how to transcribe it, how to перевести, exchange, how to make exchange, how to do exchange with it. But now you know. Also, oh Jesus, so wetty. Побелка сверху. Побелка above. I don't know how to say побелка. Побелka is white thing on the ceiling. Yes, for repairing, for fixing out the building, repairing building thing. Yes. Also, what do I know about weather? What I don't like? What do not I like? I don't I like? I like every weather, but if we will see with other purposes. By the way, on the left side we can see right now is территориальное управление Росимущества в городе Москве, is terrestrial management of Russian property in Moscow. I don't know, maybe like this translation, maybe other. I think that other, but maybe you understand what did I say. Yes, so nice buildings you can see. Cool. And also I think that weather, your favorite and unfavorite, it all depends on your oh my god, windy. It all depends on your mood and your suggestions, on your what do you prefer, your preferations. Oh Jesus, so windy, really. Maybe storm will be soon. What have I never? Wow, Jesus Christ. Jesus need to be more, how to say it, awareness, need to be awareness and need to go home because it's storming, maybe. What have I never found is storm of the, like a tornado, like some of the windy super. Maybe today's day of it, because many things we have with wind, and maybe for my mobile phone we have some message. I have some message like oh geez, Yegor, what are you doing? Right now MCS is our extra service for Moscow, in Moscow, can say that, hey man, go home, cause so cold today and windy. But here not super windy here, cause wind maybe for these directions. Here we have building, and on this side we have building too. Yeah, I think that cool. Yeah, this is my opinion about today. Also, this, I don't know what's name of these trees. It's a Christmas tree, but Fürlich. No. He's some of the tree. Some of the tree. I forget. If. I don't know what's name of it. Don't know. Yes. Else we have green path on the our cross street sign, and on the our traffic light greeny. I'm walking on the sideway. Is a highway or street, and so soon I will be in my dormitory. Yes. By the way, I want to say that thanks so much for watching. Today we were talking about weather. You learned that in Moscow you can find coldy, windy, snowy, also some of the dry things. What's happening? Why are you laughing like a hyena? Hyena. Yeah, be prepared. Yes, Lion King song from this Scar. Yes, today nice day, nice opportunities, and I wish you success and good progress, and be happy. Yes, as one of the coolest wishing. What can I wish? Yes. See ya in the next time. Bye bye. Yes. Look at this site everywhere. Nice. Super duper. Bye bye. A click. Bye. A click.